Good morning, respected friends and colleagues. This is Dr. Vikram Vishwanath from Chennai. I am a practicing orthodontist with close to 9 years of private practice, and I practice in Chennai. And this video is a testimonial on Dr. Bhavdeep Ahuja's consent, documentation, and record keeping workshop, which he conducts yearly on both online as well as offline platforms. And I attended last year's, that is 2022 October, online platform. And I would like to put it in a nutshell that I think it is an eye-opener workshop. It is a part of a triad of workshops by Dr. Bhavdeep, and Sir conducts 3 workshops, one on consent and the other 2 on practice management and finance respectively. And these form a triad of workshops, and I urge all the dentists to attend all 3. And focusing on this particular workshop, consent, documentation, record keeping is very, very, very important as far as us dentists are concerned. Right from documentation, which is something that is mandatory, and with the current rules that are in place, which asks us to maintain proper records. This is something that we need to maintain, and how to maintain it, we do not know a starting point for this. Part of this is we are not taught all of these as a part of our dental curriculum, because most of us are, in the sense, old timers. We've been practicing for quite some time, so we have graduated out of dental school way back. So these are things that have not been taught to us, and we have been running our private practices in pretty much a way that we feel what is right. We do not have a clear direction on these aspects, and I think Dr. Bhavdeep sir clearly throws light upon all these subjects, and not just that, he gives us a methodical approach on either of these. And how to maintain the records, how to maintain financial records, the notebooks, and he teaches us how to use it, and also the consent. Now, what is a consent, what constitutes a consent, and why the existing blanket consents are not valid, and how we need to customize consent forms for each and every patient. So I would urge all of my colleagues to kindly attend this workshop and get benefit of the same. It will definitely open your eyes in terms of how you were practicing all these days, and it will make a world of difference in your practice. And I thank at this juncture Dr. Bhavdeep for putting up this workshop, and I got benefited from the same as well. So thank you, friends. Thank you so much.